Are you tired of your kids spending hours on end in front of a screen, mindlessly scrolling through social media? It's time to give them a more productive and exciting way to interact with technology. Introducing our online coding classes for kids aged 3 to 16. Our expert instructors will take your child on a journey through the exciting world of coding, teaching them everything from the basics of simple commands to the complexities of problem solving. Our engaging and interactive curriculum will keep your child entertained and educated, and they'll develop essential skills that will set them up for success both in and out of the classroom. And the best part? Our classes are designed to fit your busy schedule. No need to rush your child to a physical class. They can learn from the comfort of your own home at a time that suits you. Plus, our pricing plans are affordable, so you won't have to break the bank to give your child the gift of coding. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity provided by CLC Online Learning to invest in your child's future. Plus, we're offering a 1-hour free trial class for you to see the program in action before committing. Sign up for our online coding classes today and give them the tools they need to thrive in the digital age.